How-Tos with Aaron.
This is How-Tos with Aaron, and today I'm going to show you how to make biscuits. First things first, let's preheat the oven to 475. We're going to do 2 cups of flour worth. I like this Caliber Girl baking powder. We're going to do 2½ teaspoons. One teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and now that we've got our dry ingredients in there, let's mix it up. Alright, now I've got some shortening, some Crisco. I'm going to do 5 tablespoons. Now I've got some cold butter that I'm going to put just some little pieces in it. About a tablespoon's worth. Now I'm going to take 3/4 a cup of cold buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk on hand, you can take 1 cup of regular cold milk, add a tablespoon of acid like lemon juice or white apple cider vinegar. Let it sit 10 minutes and you'll have buttermilk. Now let's mix it up. Should still be kind of dry and flaky like. Little flour on the counter and a little flour on my hands. Going to do a brief kneading, not too much, just till it starts to get a little smooth. Now I'm going to kind of work it into a nice flat so that it's ready to cut into biscuits. About 3/4 of an inch is what I like. Little spray for our pan. And now, just with a cup, cutting them into circles. Now I've got some butter that I melted. A little brush, brushing some on the top. And we're ready to bake. Oven is all set at 475. We're going to bake them for exactly 15 minutes. Alright, down to the last seconds. Biscuits are about to be ready to come out. Here we go. There we go. Nice and golden brown, flaky, buttery biscuits. So 2 cups made 6 biscuits, so 3 biscuits per 1 cup of flour. you.